that cute?
Make sure you catch me from my good side. I think I'm ready for my close up tonight. Make sure you catch me from my good side.
Hello everyone, Mikeya here. Welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing, if you guys hear a fan, I'm sorry, that's my computer. But I just had to put that out there just in case you hear it. But anyway, today I'm going to be doing this Valentine's Day look. I want to do something really cute and stuff for Valentine's. And I just want to have fun and be cute and colorful. So this look is going to be easy to create. So if you guys are interested in how I'm going to do this look, let's jump right in. First things first, of course, we always start with a fresh face. I like to do a fresh face, start with fresh face just to see where I want to go with the look. Today I'm feeling more of a like halo look. I've been feeling halo looks lately and I think I want to create it, but I want to add some shapes, some hearts, so whatever. I'm trying to see how I want to do it. First, I start with my eyebrows. If you guys are interested in eyebrow tutorial, I will leave it up in the cards and down below. If you guys are interested in a new tutorial, let me know. Just let me know. But I still kind of do my eyebrows the same way, so yeah, I'm just gonna leave it. So I think I'm gonna do this off camera because my eyebrows pretty much take me the longest and we're here for the eyeshadow look. So let me do my brows and put on some primer at that. But let me do that and I'll be right back, okay? Okay, you guys, so now that I have color corrected and did my brows, I'm gonna zoom you guys in so we can jump right to this eye look. And first things first, I'm gonna go into a eyeshadow primer and it's just gonna prep the lid for our eyeshadow. And then once I get that applied, I'm gonna blend it out with my finger. And all the products that I am using today, I am gonna link them down below, so you make sure you check the description box below. Next, I'm gonna go in with the concealer. I'm going in with a bright concealer, just so my colors can pop. And again, I'm gonna take my finger and I'm going to blend that out. So now that I have that applied, I'm gonna go in with my little detail. As you guys can see on this eye, I do have a little heart in the center to represent my little halo, to kind of bring out the, you know, I want this to be highlighted. So to get my heart shape, I took a piece of tape and I drew a heart on it and I cut it out, little bitty scissors, and I'm gonna put this on. If you guys have like any heart stickers or anything, they'll be best, they'll be better. If you don't wanna do it, you know, draw it. But I was like, let me do me a little heart detail. I ain't got no heart stickers, so I made my own. So I got it on this end of this little tweezer and I'm gonna place this on my eye. I wanna make sure that I'm placing it in a good spot. I think on it, put it about right there. A little bit more. Yeah, I think that's a good spot. I just take the end of this, of the tweezer, and just gonna press it on my lid lightly. You guys can also draw the heart on, like, I'm coordinated, but not right now. I can do it, but I'm not that coordinated right now to just draw a little heart, you know. So we cheat. I'm gonna take another piece of tape and I'm going to do that. So for today's palette, I'm going to be using 3. I like to mix colors and stuff. So my first 2 palettes are going to be from Juvia's Place. This is the Mauve one, and this is the Berries palette. And then I'm going to be taking this palette from LA Girl. And the shades I'm going to be using, I am going to be popping them up on the screen. So, yeah. So first, I am going to be going into the LA Colors palette, LA Girls palette. And I'm going to be taking these 2 shades. And I'm going to dust it off. And I'm going to add my highlighting color. So to start the beginning of the halo, I'm going to start in the center. Since I have this piece of tape in the center, I'm going to start there with the halo. And we're going to work outwards. I'm going to take this eyeshadow brush and I'm going to pack the color on it and make sure this is sticking all the way down. And I'm gonna pat this on there. Okay, now once I get that color applied, I'm gonna go into the Mauve palette and I'm gonna take this shade and I'm going to take another brush and I'm gonna go into this very dark shade and I'm just gonna pack this color on the outer corner and create a V. And that's the shape that we're looking for. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go into the center and do the same thing. It's looking crazy, but this is off to a good start, okay? And to kind of mix the color in a little bit more, add a little bit more red, I'm gonna go into this shade and kind of add a little bit more purple onto it. Get it kind of blurry. And then I'm gonna go back into the Berries palette. I'm gonna take this shade and I'm going to take that and blend together our first two shades. I'm gonna pat that on first and then we're gonna blend. And once I get that palette on, I'm gonna go back in with the previous brush that I used to apply the darker color and blend everything in to kind of blend each side in. And I'm gonna go back with the first brush that I used to apply the pink. And I'm gonna reapply that and blend that in as well. So now I'm gonna go in with a fluffy blending brush and I'm gonna take these two shades and mix them together. Because I want me like a peachy pink color. And these colors in here is too pink or too dark of a pink. You know, I just need a peachy light color. Peachy pink color, if that makes sense. And we're just gonna blend these colors together to give us a nice gradient effect. Okay, that's it. Easy. So now once I have these all applied and blended, I am going to remove this tape and we're going to add our little heart, our little gradient center. I'm going to fill in our heart. So first I am going to go with some glitter glue. I put a little bit on the back of my hands. And I'm going to take this little bitty little brush here. And I'm just going to paint in our heart. So now that I have that applied, we're gonna go in with this shade from the Berries palette. I forgot I used another palette. I'm gonna go in with this shade, and this palette is from Beige Cosmetics. I'm just gonna use that shade to bring some more pink to the heart. So now that we have our bright pink little hearts, I'm going to add some smaller hearts, and for that I am going to be taking a liquid lipstick. If you guys have a liquid eyeliner to create your little hearts, use that. I'm just using what we have. What I have. I'm gonna take this shade and I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna take a dotting tool. See how it can be innovative? I'm gonna take that. Think right here. And I'm gonna take the smaller side to connect. Now that I have that applied, I am going to go in with a black liquid liner to line the eyes. Not doing anything crazy. This is going to be cute, simple, but elevated look, you know. And I'm just going to fill this on. Of course, we're not done with the eyes just yet. I am going to finish the rest of my face. If you guys have your favorite makeup base that you do that. In this step, I'm going to do that. If you guys are interested in how I do that, again, I'm going to leave it up in the cards. But I'm going to do that, and we're going to come back to complete the eyes, and we're going to do a cute lip. So I'm going to do that and be right back. Okay, so now I'm done with the face. I'm going to go back into the eyes. So first, I am going to take an eyeliner, and I'm going to add this into the waterline. So now I'm going to go back into that Mauve palette, and I'm going to take this shade, and I'm just going to apply that first. And then I'm going to go back into the Berries palette, and I'm going to add this shade right at the beginning. I'm going to take this shade, I'm just going to buff these shades together. And for the inner corner, I'm going to take this shade here. Ooh, that is pretty. And to brighten that color up, I'm going to go back into this palette and add this shade on the top to make it bright. Ooh, that is so pretty. And next, I'm going to go in with my mascara. First, I'm going to add my primer on my bottom lashes. While this drying, I'm going to go in with my regular mascara. And for my lashes, I am going to be wearing a pair of these today. You can wear any lashes you would like. These are the ones that I love. I'm going to pop these on, and I'm going to be right back. Now for the lips, I had to change the hair to make the hair kind of go with more of the color scheme that I got going on. So yeah, now we're going to do the lips. I'm going to do a burgundy. This shade is from NYX. And this is in the shade, hold on, let me see. In the shade Current. Go in with Sasha, and this is in the shade Chiffon. And for the center of the lips, I'm gonna go in with this lipstick from Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade Never Nude. And to top everything off, I'm going with the gloss, and this is also from Wet n Wild. Okay guys, this is the completed look. I hope you guys really like how this look came out. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. So yeah, you guys remember to love, embrace, and celebrate who you are. And I'll see you guys in the next video.